This is this is a demonstration of my final project here at Coding Place. But before we begin, I would like to explain the code, part of the code. Now, for the first three lines, I imported the needed libraries, that's graphics from Canva, random, and then I also imported time. Now, for line 5 and 6, I set the height and the width of the canvas. This one represents the balloon colors, the ground height, and also the number of balloons to be showing on the screen at a time. So we have the class called balloon, where I initiated a constructor to involve a class, a width, a height, a speed, color. All the necessary instances I'll be needing. I also created the balloon, that is an oval with a string. Now the string in this case is a rectangle, so the oval with the string is attached to it. At this point, I created a function called update to help the balloons to move upwards and then disappear once it's off the screen. So with the main function, this is where we actually created the balloon with a different color, and then this green here represents the ground color. I can change this to black. See, it has taken effect over here. So we are saying whilst the number of balloons here is less than 3, different ones should pop up to fill up the spaces. So exactly this one I designed. Here's a representation of it. Thank you very much.